Welcome to the Freedom Fries channel. If you're new to the channel, I really appreciate you watching, but in order to understand the importance of this video, I think you should really watch my drift fail video. I'll put a link in the corner there. Now, for everybody else, you know what today is. We're fixing the 350Z and dealing with, well, what happens when you're a bad driver. So, let's go ahead and get started on that. I'm going to head in the unit, show you the damage, and then show you what we're going to do with the car. But first, I've got to apologize to Cody because I'm always late, and I'm sure he's super upset. But let's go ahead and head in there. Okay, everyone tell Cody sorry. We're so sorry we're late and that we did this to the bumper. What do you think?
That might not fiberglass back together really.
You're just being negative, Cody. We can use some duct tape instead then. It's going to be okay.
I'm going to put my fiberglass skills to the test.
Ooh-wee. Well, the wreck definitely did some damage. I mean, my bash bar is bent, and so is this bumper support piece. The headlight I took out just because I'm going to fix some things, but it'll work. I just got to realign it. That's no problem. But all in all, honestly, I'm really surprised that the Shine bumper did so well considering the damage that's in here. I literally just popped it out and it was okay. So, you know, I'm going to go glass it and everything will be okay after that. Definitely would like to replace that maybe with one of those drift bars. I just don't know, do they crush the same way as this? I don't want to damage the radiator support. I mean, I feel like this saved the radiator support, so I don't want to do that. But if you guys know of a good one that fits underneath the bumpers and it'll crush, then I would definitely rock that. So leave me a comment, let me know what you think about the drift bars. Definitely want to replace the fender. So let's fix that because that'll really, I feel like that would really tie the vehicle together.
Yo, bro, I got news.
Oh boy, did Hector bring me a surprise.
Yo.
I got a fender, guys. I got a new fender for the car. It's gonna be great. It comes with a whole car. Look at this piece of artwork. Oh my goodness, that's a harness. But look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Oh, it's glorious. Oh yeah. Custom rear wiper twist mod. Some dope ass wheels, sick. But we're gonna go ahead and fix this roof right now like professionals.
So here we go, straightening the roof out. There goes that. Hey, go forward towards the front of the car a little bit.
Yeah.
Look at some booty.
Oh yeah. Buy it for like $50. More than that actually. But Right, the car is home. I'm so excited about this. I mean, I just wanted to replace a fender and I have a whole vehicle for the price of a fender. It comes with a fender, it has an NVIDIA exhaust, which is like, what, $580, and some interior pieces that I truly care about. The guy took this car and parked it during his deployment, came home and it wouldn't start. He replaced the battery and checked the starter and that wasn't it. So I'm assuming maybe like the 240S6s, their automatics have that, that fusible link that you have to kind of put together in order for the automatics to run a manual transmission, maybe something like that, or maybe like an ECU. I'm gonna try to get it started and then I'll hit up Ben at Boost Unavailable. That's his YouTube channel. I'll link him up here. He's building like 1,000 horsepower Corvette, which is awesome. So I'm gonna hit him up probably for some manual swap stuff and then get it going. Yeah, so on second thought, this doesn't look that bad. I'm just gonna loosen these up and see if I can move the headlight just a tiny bit. That ought to fix her up. Okay, so what we're going to go ahead and do is actually fiberglass the inside of this to make it just more rigid, you know, because it's super broke right now. I don't know if I'm going to Bondo and paint the outside yet. Maybe I'll just put a sticker on the outside. Maybe big Freedom Fries look cool, right? So that everybody can identify me when I street drive. But let's go ahead and take a look at what we're going to do. What's that?
Got new bumpers too.
No, I was drifting my 350Z and stuck into a light pole. Anyway, that's my attempt at fiberglassing a bumper. I had no experience with that. Cody's obviously got some experience because he works in an audio shop and they build custom fiberglass boxes and all kinds of cool stuff. So I think it turned out better than I could have expected. To be honest, I'm not going to repair the bumper completely. I'm just going to toss a freaking sticker on it because it's going to look cool. Also, maybe it'll go on the spare 350Z when I just buy another bumper. So now that I'm a fiberglass master, you can look forward to me doing my own custom wide body. That's what you do, right? You foam board and you I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. Can't go wrong. It's gonna be sweet. Anyway, so what we're going to do now is just go ahead and rip apart the parts car. And by rip it apart, I mean I'm just gonna take a fender off and put it onto this car and then install an oil cooler, toss the bumper back on, and give her hell. Let's get to work. Don't mind the complete mess that this engine bay is because I already started diagnosing some issues. I think it's just going to be the IPDM, some fuses, some relays, something like that. I've ordered all that stuff to replace it, and if that doesn't fix it, then I'll go ahead and take apart the IPDM and see if maybe that solder link isn't damaged. Yeah, so that's super annoying. I just spent the last 5 minutes looking for my ratchet, and it's right there. So let's go ahead and get started now. Well, I just stripped the bolt holding on that little lug nut cover, so I'm going to have to engineer the hell out of this. Engineering. So apparently when this guy needed this towed, he had a friend help him, and by help him, I mean the guy hooked up to the radiator support and cracked it, which isn't a freaking huge deal, but it kind of sucks. Obviously tore out that too, and it looks like the condenser is kind of damaged. But all in all, not a big deal, just a little annoying. Now the only thing I'm slightly concerned about is this side skirt has been damaged, and I'm afraid that it's going to crack and break when I try to do the same thing to take this fender off. but we're gonna give it the old college try and see what happens, because I really want this to match. That would be really cool. Got a bit of a stuck bolt problem here right now. I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. You know, one of my favorite parts about purchasing this spare 350Z is just the little things. I mean, I know my car isn't super nice. It's not super nice, but being able to do just little things like get this battery cover on here, it just really truly makes me happy. I mean, I don't have a nice engine bay. I don't show it off or anything, but it's just such a cool touch, you know, to hide some of that mess. It makes me really happy that I got that car. Like, honestly, just for this part, I think this piece alone was like $60 on Z1, and then the cover itself is like 25 bucks. You know, obviously if I'd have got a fender, it would have been anywhere from $150 to probably 300 bucks for, you know, a color matched one. And then, you know, I have that exhaust, which I might run. I'm not sure if it has a resonator or what. They're a little loud, you know, and I hate the trumpet sound of the VQ. I don't think anybody truly loves that sound. So I'll probably have to do something about that, but I don't know. But then again, maybe I'll just run the stock exhaust. I really don't mind. Oh, it looks like I cracked it when I shut the hood. So that's annoying. So that's the story of my life. Where's that go on there? There we go. Cool. I'm so happy about that. It's ridiculous. Oh God. I love that. I love it. 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 It just really cleans up the engine bay. Makes me very happy. Again, guys, I always appreciate you watching. If you liked it, please like it or subscribe. That's neat too. So with Corona being around, I'm obviously able to do a ton more content than normal. So I'm trying to put out as much as I can. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. And I guess stay tuned for the next one.